Well, here we are. Since I looked all over and couldn't find a video of what I wanted, I'm just gonna make one and I'll post it up. So if anybody else is concerned, maybe they'll find this video helpful. But here we have a 2024 TE300 Pro Husqvarna. Pretty awesome bike. 300 two-stroke, electric start, fuel injection, pretty amazing. I wanted to see what the difference was between stock spark arrestor and FMF slip-on, and then later on I'll add the FMF fatty and we'll see what the difference there is. But I was just kind of curious to see what the difference in sound was. So here's cold start. I'll throw this FMF on and we'll see what the difference is. All right, so here we go. Just got the silencer changed. Stock silencer, pretty big and bulky. Kind of disappointing with something as tricky as this little FMF little Power Core 2.1 that it didn't come with bushings and a spacer, but I get it. Everybody's cutting back on everything now. I will say I've worked on a lot of bikes over the years, and that was the easiest silencer change I've ever done. Single 8mm T-handle with accessible from the outside, both there and there. Slipped it off, popped out two nice little machined aluminum spacers, two rubber bushings, popped them back into the new one, and put the bolts back in. We're done. One little bitty rubber boot here where it meets. But let's fire it back up and see if there's a little sound difference or not. Definitely got some more bark to it. There's definitely a little bit more bark to it, just right off